Okay, this is how you clean your iKakak A320 vacuum cleaner. Okay, first you need a vacuum cleaner, the normal conventional vacuum cleaner. You need a blade, you need a screwdriver, and this brush. Okay, first you remove your dustbin, because you can see, okay, after cleaning you can see there is a lot of debris, a lot of hair, a lot of fur, a lot of if you have pets, a lot of pets' hair. Okay, and this part you can see there is a lot of dust. Okay, so what you should do is you should throw all this into the plastic bag. For those remaining ones, you may need to use a vacuum cleaner to vacuum it up. Now, if it is too dirty, you may wash the dustbin, but please first you have to remove the mop pad attachment. And if you want to wash your mop, if it is too dirty, you take this out and wash this. Okay, make sure it is dry before you fix it back. And if you want to wash the dustbin, you first have to remove the motor by pressing the hatch here. Remove this, and you can wash this dustbin if it is too dirty. Okay, so to put this back, all you need to do is to fix this back here and put this back, and that is your dustbin part. Now, as for the main brush area, you turn this over. Okay, you can see there are some strings, some hair stuck in the middle brush. So this is how you remove your middle brush. There's a latch here, you push this and you lift it up. Okay, as you can see, you lift it up. Okay, to remove these two, you lift this up and you pull it out. This is number one. You lift this up and you pull it out. That's number two. Okay, now for here, this is a rubber sleeve. You take this rubber sleeve out. As you can see, there are quite a bit of hair stuck here. Now you may need to use a, what do you call a knife to cut this, a blade to cut this out. In order to remove this. Okay, and for this you do the same. Okay, you cut this to remove all this hair. Now, but you can see, you just remove this. If not, you can use this comb to comb it out. Okay, or you may use a vacuum to vacuum it. Now for this part, if it is dirty, you can use a piece of cloth, okay, to wipe it, but it's not too wet. Now here, you may have some hair stuck here, this part. Okay, all you need to do is to dig this out. And for here, you can see there's some hair stuck in this brush. Okay, you need to use a screwdriver or a test pen to remove the screw and to lift this up. Okay, now all these hair are tangled. As you can see, there are also quite a bit of hair tangled here, so you need to remove this. Oh, there is quite a bit. Okay, and for this front view here, okay, you just lift this up. If you got problem, then you can use a screwdriver to dig this out. Okay, if you can see some hair here, you can also remove this. Okay, and you just replace this back after cleaning. Put this sleeve back. Okay, make sure it sits nicely in. Put this sleeve back. Put it back. Make sure it goes in here first. Okay, now then you just push this until you hear a click sound. So your iKakak robot vacuum is clean. Now you have to do this cleaning maintenance by yourself, okay, once in a while, to make sure that your unit is in tip-top running condition. If not, if you find that the robot is behaving abnormally, like for example, if you hear a very loud noise, or when it wobble, when it move, then you have to clean it. Alright? Thank you for watching this video. I see you again. Bye bye.